This pretty young puppy is Katie. Katie is a 6-month-old American Pit Bull Terrier mix. This girl has lots of energy and gets very excited when it's time to go out and play. She is treat motivated, so Katie should learn her manners easily with somebody willing to spend the time to teach her. She loves people and is eager to please. Because she is so excitable and energetic, we are hoping to place Katie in a home with no children younger than 9, as Katie will soon grow into a medium-sized pup that can knock little kids over when she gets too excited. As Katie grows into an adult doggie, we'd expect her to calm down a bit, but still be an active and playful doggie for many years. She would make an awesome new family member for an active family. She would enjoy running, hiking, or playing ball with you. Katie has a short brindle coat that won't need too much maintenance, though she may need a sweater or raincoat in our Oregon winters. Come meet Katie for yourself. Adoption viewing hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 11:30 a.m. through 4:30 p.m.